Hello all, in this video I'm going to solve question 30 from CBSE grade 10 standard math 2026 board paper. The question paper code is 30/4/1. The question goes like this. A bag contains 30 balls out of which m number of balls are blue in color. Total balls in the bag is 30 and the number of blue balls is m. Question 1. Find the probability that a ball drawn at random from the bag is not blue. Number of balls which are not blue are 30 minus m. So the probability of not blue is 30 minus m upon 30. Question number 2. If 6 more blue balls are added in the bag, then the probability of drawing a ball will be 5 by 4 times the probability of drawing a blue ball in the first case. Find the value of m. The probability of getting blue balls in the first case is m upon 30. 6 more balls are added to the bag. That is, blue balls count become m plus 6. And this is going to reflect in the count of the total balls also. Earlier it was 30, now 6 more added, so total is 36. The probability of drawing a blue ball is 5 by 4 times the probability of drawing a blue ball in the first case, which is m upon 30. According to the new count, probability of getting a blue ball is m plus 6 upon 36. So these two equations can be compared. M plus 6 upon 36, which is equal to 5 times m upon 4 times 30. M plus 6 is m upon 4 into 6 into 36. On simplifying, we get m plus 6 is equal to 3m upon 2. That is, m is equal to 12. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.